Well, I turned the thing upside down, half the lifter fell out of it. I was kind of worried about it might be stuck. Turns out they won't though. Well, got two bolts up here. None of them sockets won't fit. I guess they rounded off a little bit too much. I'm sorry, wrench will get them off though. I had my favorite putty knife in my hand the other day. I thought I laid it there on the front of that vehicle, but I don't reckon I did. Okie dokie. Normally I'd go through and number all the rods, but I did that the last time I worked on this motor. So that's all done. Come another lifter. Number one was loose enough. That don't normally happen. But right there is my biggest problem. I broke that lens out of that piston. That's part of the rings. So that's what was causing a whole lot of my blow-by. Number 6 looks to be in pretty decent shape. Somehow or another the grooves in the 2 compression rings got lined up together. Okay, number 2 good and loose. Right there we go. Hole in it. Ring broke. No. But I just done her in. You notice right there, gaps in those 2 compression rings are together. But when I put them in, they were dodged about like that right there. So evidently they've been spinning around in there a little bit. Okay, I got another broke piston. Right in right there. This is number 4. When you take these caps off, you put them back on, so there are little tabs on them. Always put them little tabs on the same side. That's the way they're made. That's the way everything lines up on them. There's another one with the ring grooves, ring ends lined up. Well, I'm going to turn you off a few minutes. I got to get the puller and pull that harmonic balancer off. While I'm at it, I'll go ahead and pull the timing chain off too, and then I'll be back with you and we'll take the crankshaft out of it. When you're putting on a puller like this, you want to be sure that you have all the bolts put in there equal. The simplest way I've found to do it, I count how many threads are sticking out on each end of each bolt. On these I got 7 threads sticking out, and on each one of them. That way, when you do it like that, your puller's pulling even on all 3 bolts. Get it cockeyed, it might not pull too good. What I'm doing, I'm holding the crankshaft just against the non-ground part, in other words, just the housing of it. Doggone air valve just up and disappeared out of my 3/8 air ratchet. It's kind of put me in a little bit of a bind here, having used that 1/2 inch. It runs so that blame fast. Old sockets are big on it. They don't want to get on these little bolts. dokie. That all. And the timing chain sure has got the wear in it. Alrighty, I'm going to let you rest a little while. Get a couple of odds and ends, then we'll be back and take the crankshaft out. Okay, let's see if we can rip this crankshaft out of here now. These bearing caps are all numbered. It's right there, number 1, 2 all the way back, then it got an arrow on it showing. Now this has got the thrust bearing on it, and this being a little stubborn. This is the oddball of the bunch, along with the back one being odd. Back one's got a whole lot going on with it. It's got the rear main seal in it, and it's got the back rubber for the oil pan too. Okie dokie. And that's all there is to it. See if we can get this cam out of here. Alrighty, I'm going to let y'all rest a little bit while I do a little cleaning on it. I think I found my putty knife. Be back shortly. Well, I got the thing pretty much cleaned up. So the next project's going to be trying to find somebody to bore it out, and I'm going to need to get the crank ground too. So it's going to be a full-fledged operation. We'll talk at you later.